Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a young man named Samuel. Samuel was known far and wide for his infectious smile and unwavering optimism. No matter how difficult the situation, he faced it with a grin and a can-do attitude. One sunny morning, Samuel decided to take a hike up the tallest hill in the village, which overlooked the entire valley. As he climbed, he encountered various obstacles: thorny bushes, slippery rocks, and steep inclines. But Samuel remained undeterred, always finding a way around or through each challenge with a smile on his face. At the top of the hill, Samuel met an old sage who had been meditating there for years. The sage marveled at Samuel's cheerfulness despite the difficulties he had faced on his way up. "Young man," the sage said, "I have observed countless people climbing this hill over the years. Most of them grumble and complain about the thorns, rocks, and steep paths. But you, Samuel, you faced these problems with a smile. Why is that?" Samuel paused for a moment, reflecting on his journey. "Well," he replied, "I've learned that problems are a part of life. Complaining won't make them disappear. In fact, problems are like the stepping stones to success. Each obstacle I faced was a lesson, a chance to grow stronger and wiser." The sage nodded in agreement. "You are wise beyond your years, young Samuel. You have grasped a fundamental truth, that problems are opportunities in disguise." From that day forward, Samuel's reputation as the village optimist grew even stronger. People sought his advice when faced with challenges in their lives. He would often say, "Embrace your problems, for they are the seeds of your growth." As the years passed, Samuel's positive outlook and resilience led him to great success. He became a respected leader in the village, known not only for his cheerful demeanor, but also for his ability to turn obstacles into opportunities. The story of Samuel's ascent up the hill and his encounter with the sage became a legend in the village, passed down from generation to generation. It served as a reminder that in the face of life's problems, a positive attitude, resilience, and a willingness to learn are the keys to growth and success. And so, the village of Samuel continued to thrive, guided by the enduring wisdom that problems, though often challenging, were the stepping stones that led to the greatest heights of achievement and fulfillment in life.